you can fix can't install Google Earth app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you have been trying to install Google Earth but you are unable, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, just go back to your phone and look for Play Store, and from Play Store here, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account to install this app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then tap on the profile icon here and go down to settings on your phone. If you go to settings, look for this option, network preferences, tap on it to list more options. Here, look for this option, app download preference, and if you tap on it, choose the first option over any network. If it is turned to over Wi-Fi only, change this to the first one here and okay. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. However, if you still can't download at this point, then most likely the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to go to settings and then look for apps, and finally look for manage apps option or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. And from the phone, and from this, search for Google Play. And here we have Google Play Store app. First, go to Force Stop app and okay. And then go to clear data and choose clear cache. And finally, okay. Once you are done, restart your smartphone. And now if you go to Google Play Store, tap on it to open, activate search, and I'll now search for Google Earth. Now, if I run this app, you can see the app is here. Now I'll try to install it. Now, as you can see, this has fixed my problem and now I'm able to download and install Google Earth. However, if you still can't do this, then check if you're using any VPN, turn it off. This might be the reason you are unable to install apps. Also, if you don't have enough space, clear app space by deleting unwanted or unused apps or files on your smartphone. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.